Have you ever had a ring where a little diamond fell out of it? So you just stopped wearing it. A customer brought in a broken diamond ring. Several diamonds had fallen out and she just didn't want to wear it anymore. She asked me if there was something I could do to the old ring, so I told her I could transform it into a pair of earrings and a pendant. After removing the top, I was able to cut the ring into 2 equal sections. I spent time filing, sanding, and buffing both sides. Then it was time to attach the earring post. I had 2 options. I could use a torch or I could use a laser. I went with the laser because it's more precise and I can pinpoint up to 6,000 degrees between my fingertips. You'll start seeing the earrings start to take shape right about now. Did you ever think these diamond earrings could be made from the side of an old diamond ring? Now it's time to move on to the pendant. There were several missing diamonds that needed to be replaced. Each bag has a different size diamond, so you can find the perfect match. After the diamonds have been replaced, I tightened everything else. Now it's time to adjust the back of the pendant. After I cut the halo diamond top off the ring, the prongs underneath were sharp and could scratch someone, so I had to make a small plate and laser it to the back. I also lasered a small jump rings on each side to hold the chain. Then I engraved 14 karat into the plate. All that was left was to attach the chain. We're almost there. This final touch of rhodium plating is what brings it all together. Now the customer has a new set of diamond earrings and a pendant.